Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw Kyle Broflovski from South Park, also featuring in Fortnite. It's a cool robot skin at the moment. So what I'm going to do is do the full body shot. Let's start at the top here. Let's get Kyle in there. I'm going to draw his hat first of all. So what I'm going to do is just go over to the right a little bit, just a little bit off center, right? Just draw a nice curve line up there. I'm going to go along the top, to the top of the hat here. So continue the line over this way. Nice and steady, curve it around like that. Then what I can do is just draw the side of the hat on the left. So come down this way here, to about here. Down this way here, like that. And we're going to join this back up again. A little bit of a curve. Join it up at the edge there. Just come up either side from the corner, up like that there, probably up like that there. This is the brow of the cap. Just move across, join that up there. Then what we can do is just go in and draw the roundness of his face. So come around, curve it around this way here, end to end. So come down this way, let's go to them from the left. Come down this way here. Nice rounded curve. All the way out. Pop it out ever so slightly here. Join it up at the edge there. Cool. Let's put little ear flaps either side before we go and do the features. So one ear flap here, just go a little bit higher than this corner point, about there. Curve it around to there. And over this way, you're going to come out around like this, curve it up into the side of the head there. Now it's starting to look a bit like Kyle, right? Let's just go in there. Let's draw the facial features. So I'm going to draw the eyes in. They're like little curved ovals, sorry. So I'm going to start about here. Just come around, nice. Steady curve around, come back in on yourself, like that. And then the next one will come off, just off center here, from the first eye we've drawn, curve it around. Nice curve, and around and in there, there we go. So they're just touching in the middle. 2 dots, 1, 2, just go in a little bit to the center, and then I'm just gonna draw little inquisitive mouth, so a little curve, like downwards curve, just like that, okay? It's looking a bit bemused. Okay, next up, just gonna draw his body area. It's got a little control panel down here, so I'm gonna just curve around this way, just come around, curve there, and from the side of the head here, little curve there, and that kind of is the main width of the body. Now I've got a little gloves hand here, so I'm just going to draw a little oval, little bit there, a little green mitten there. Got another little green mitten probably coming up along here, so I'm just going to draw a nice little oval there, maybe a little thumb popping out there. And then what I can do, just draw a little line for the top of the arm here, and a little line going around to the back there. Got the little arms in there, okay? What I can do now is just draw little control panels here. So I'm just going to draw, so just pop in a little control stick there in black. There's a little control stick sort of coming up here as well. And then I can draw a cool little sort of line for the box. A little control panel here. Draw 2 little lines here, it's almost like a little rectangle. Cross like that. Maybe just a line in the middle there. He's got his little control center. Just going to taper it down this way. Kind of goes to a little triangle there. Maybe we'll just fill that in. Get a little bit of 3D look. And then what we can do is kind of start drawing around. It's almost like a little waste basket or something going on here. So I'm just going to draw around the edge. I'm going to come out sort of around this way. Put a line out here. Gonna come back in on ourselves through here, like that. come back up this way here and in. And what I will do here for these bits, I'm just gonna block in, maybe just leave a little touch of light on there, so it's a little bit like got the edge of the sort of bin area there. Then I'm going to sort of fill in all around the back here, so maybe again just leave a little chip on the edge there. Yeah, that's cool. There's a little V section in the middle here, so I'm going to draw a line coming out here and a line coming out sort of around there. Then I'm going to come down from these 2 points, make a little V, line down there, join it up there, come down probably to about that point, so just come down this way here to a point and then back up like that. A little diamond in the middle, so just going to pop in a little diamond. I can colour that in later. It's a little bit sort of scuffed as well, so just going to draw a few little dashes on the edge, just sort of like scuffed markings. Here we go. That's cool. And then what I can do is sort of draw in the front part of the box. So I'm going to come down where this comes out here. I'm going to come down, like the line of the box will come down to about there. Let's come around this way underneath, like a nice line there, back up this way here. A couple of little lines just in the edges of it, just to give it a bit of, I guess, texture. Maybe a bit there, and there's a little line across sort of here. That's cool. There we go. And then what I will do is let's get these arms in, these robotic arms. It's got these helmet shoulder pads, right? So the big and nice and vibrant orange pads. I'm going to do a real big curve around for the helmet. Real big curve around like that. And on this side over here, really big curve around like that and around. And what we will do is the little holes in the helmet, so pop a couple in there, and then just pop a couple in here, and then just on the edge you've got 1, 2 like that. Yeah, there we go. Now the little upper arm parts are little sort of boxes, so I'm just gonna come out, down, around and up. Just draw a little square behind this bit. There's a little zigzaggy part in here, so I'm just gonna draw a little up and down bit around there. And over here we just see a little bit of it on this side, so I'm just gonna draw a little square there and up. And then we'll just draw a little zigzaggy bit in there. Now we've got that bit in, I can just draw the edge of this box part, so I'm just gonna work up and into there, just draw down here. Then what I might do is just fill this portion in. Just ink that area there. There we go. Now what I can do is kind of draw the rest of the arms here. So there's a little gap here where the sort of join is. Just going to draw a little rectangle there, and up here a little rectangle there. Now on this side it's almost got like little ski little parts on here, so I'm just going to draw, sort of come out here a bit, just draw a little sort of ski little stick there. And it's almost like little broken ones, another little ski little stick coming down here. And then around these we've got, if I do a little curve here, I can come downwards like that, go in and just bring it in here. Maybe I see a little bit of this here. There's a bit of rope that attaches it all together, so just gonna draw in some little black lines along here. A little bit of rope comes out through the middle there. And then I've just got a little hand in here, so this box element just flips out, and then I've just got a little curve where the hand is there, and the glove, I'm just gonna draw a little circle in that and mark it in. There we go. Over on this side, similar sort of thing, but it's more of a shield bit here, so I'm just gonna draw up here like a big old oblong bit here with a little lip. There's a little bit that sticks out here, so almost like a little fin that comes out there. And then I'm going to go and draw the forearm. So I'm going to come across this point again here, come right down there, join it in. Then it flips out again, just a little curve out there. And I can draw a little hand, just need to draw a little curve in there. And again, a little circular bit here, and that's like the hand area there. A couple of little lines just in here, just for the markings. I'll colour this in green and orange in a moment. And over here, I'm just going to draw a little line in here, just to distinguish that, just give it a bit of detail. Okay, it does look like a bit of a cooler box here. So I'm going to draw a little line for a torso. So about there, do a 1, 2, go across. And then this has got this weird little box sticking out here. So I'm going to come outwards here, just draw down, down, and a little lip across. Then what I'm going to do is draw the outer lip. So I've got looks like a little outer portion that comes around this way here. And then I'm going to draw a circle there, a circle here, and I've got the handle of this box. It sort of comes out down this way here, and then it will join in the middle, and there's like a little handle bit curve there, and I'm going to just join these bits to that edge point there. Okay. The rest of the box sort of goes behind here, and it just comes down a little bit either side, and we'll just join that up there. And then we can go on to the leg portion. So the top ends of the legs, I'm going to just draw a little rectangle coming down either side. Then we've got the upper portion of the legs, so I'm just going to draw a line across those bits there. And what I'm going to do then is just do a line down there, from here, a line down there and across. And right here, let's come out, let's go a line down here, a line down there, join it up. Now these two bits, what we could do is just draw a little diagonal line in here. I'll just colour this bit in here, just ink it in. And here. And then on this side here, I'm going to do a diagonal again, just coming across this way here. And we'll just ink that portion here with a Sharpie pen. One bit there. One bit there. Next up, again, I'm just going to draw little oblong rectangles that sort of join the next portion. And then we've got these big old sort of rocket boot parts. So again, I'm going to come and draw a line out here. I'm going to draw this leg first. So I'm going to taper outwards, kind of like those sort of classic robots. The lower leg part tapers out. I'm going to come around this way, just draw a curve along it. There's a little line in the middle. So just draw two little lines down like that. And then on the very edge here, I'm going to come in a little bit either side and just draw a little line out like a rocket. There's a little bar at the front here where this like the end of the rocket comes out. This is orange when I colour it in. I'm just going to curve around like that around there. On this side, I'm going to draw a similar sort of thing, but the foot will come out a bit further this way. So I'm going to come out of the back here first of all. I'm going to come down, I'm going to curve it out. Nice line down like that, and come around this way here. Then what we're going to do is come up this way here, back in on ourselves to this point, and then just chip it in there. We'll just join this bit here, and then on this point I'm going to draw a nice triangle line out here. We'll just draw another little line there where it will be orange and green, and then I'm going to draw the back part. It will come out, just work in and bring it out, and then just going to curve around this way here. Got those legs. Just a couple of little bits of tape for detail here. So these are all taped together by Kyle. So just a few little fun little rectangular little bits that show it sort of taped up. Same in here. There's a little piece of tape sort of there. And then there's a little join coming down in the middle here. Again, another couple of bits of tape here, and again another little join where it's taping it together. And then another little piece of tape just across there, just a nice little bit of detail. And then what I will do is these little points in here, I'm just going to draw just across little dashes and lines just to add a little bit of texture to the picture. And these little join bits here, just a nice little bit of texture going on. Let's do that little torso bit in here as well, just line it up. And then there's probably a couple of little lines in this box that just sort of taper out. Maybe there's a little clip point here. And finally, there's just some little flashes of lightning on these points for the helmet. So I'm just going to draw a little zigzag in and out, up and down, little bolt. We can just fill those orange and yellow in a moment. And you know what? I think I'm done. There we go. There's Kyle from South Park. It's the robot version of the skin from Fortnite. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know who can draw next, and I'll see you again soon. All right, bye for now.